Can you combine two Facebook accounts into one? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says, can you combine two Facebook accounts into one? So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first, the direct answer to that is no. Facebook does not allow merging or combining two personal accounts into one, and there is no official features to merge friend, combine post photos or messages, and transfer followers from one personal account to another. And any site that is claiming this is either fake or unsafe. So with that, what can you do instead? So, the best alternatives to that is that you can keep one account and delete the other one. So, if you use this or if you have accidentally created two accounts, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the other account and you can simply use your main account as well. And with that, moving forward to the option 2, that is to manually move the important stuff. So here you can re-add friends from the old account and upload important photos and videos again. And you can ask friends to follow or add your main account. It's quite slow, but it's safe and official. And with that, option 3 is to link accounts via the account center. So if both accounts are yours, then you can definitely link them in account center. And this will allow easier login and sharing. And this does not combine data and trends. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.